In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom meeting calendar invite with Gmail. Whether you're setting up a virtual meeting for work, organizing a catch-up with friends, or planning an online event, this guide will ensure everything is in place for a smooth invite process. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail. Make sure you're logged into the account you plan to use for the invitation. Once you're in Gmail, locate the Google Apps icon, which appears as a small grid or collection of squares in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Click on that to reveal a drop-down menu of various Google applications. From here, select Google Calendar. This calendar application is a powerful tool for managing your schedule and is fully integrated with Gmail, making it easy to send invitations and manage appointments. Once the calendar loads, look for the Create button. Typically, you can find it on the left-hand side of the screen. When you click Create, you'll open a new event form ready for you to fill out. Now, you'll need to input the details of your meeting. Start by entering the event title, something clear and concise like Weekly Team Check-in or Project Planning Meeting. Next, set the date and time for your meeting. Ensure accuracy here to avoid confusion later. If your meeting is going to recur, like weekly or monthly, don't forget to select the recurrence details. Once all the timing is set, you'll need to add the Zoom meeting link. To do this, if you've already created a link on Zoom, you can simply paste it into the location field. Alternatively, if you're integrated with Zoom, there might be an option to create a meeting directly from the Google Calendar interface. After the Zoom link is set, locate the Add Guests field. This is where you'll enter the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite. Be sure to double-check the spelling and accuracy of email addresses so that your invitees receive the invitation without a hitch. In the description or notes section of the invite, you have the opportunity to include additional details that your guests might need, such as an agenda or preparation materials for the meeting. Take advantage of this space to ensure that all participants come ready and informed. Finally, once everything is filled out and double-checked, you're ready to hit the Save button. Google Calendar will then prompt you to send an invitation to your guests, which you should confirm. This step ensures that all invitees receive an email notification with the meeting details and Zoom link, making it easy for them to RSVP and attend. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Zoom meeting calendar invite using Gmail. With these steps, you can ensure a smooth and efficient way to manage your online meetings and keep everyone on the same page. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.